Good morning from the Camino. It's about almost 7:30. We just left our hostel. We stayed, had breakfast. So we're off to an early start. Yesterday, with the high at 32, almost killed us. So we decided to get up early today and try to beat some of that heat. We have about a 16 kilometer day, a little longer than what we've been doing lately, but we're hoping to have some nice scenery along the way. Aurora, anything?
I hope it's not hot.
Yeah, it's going to be a hot one, so that's why we're leaving early, because it's too hard to walk in 32 degree like it was yesterday.
Yeah.
So we're just making our way out of this little city here and on to Valencia, and tomorrow we cross over into Spain, so we're looking forward to that. So come along with us today. Well, that wasn't too hard leaving Villanova. Seems pretty easy. I think we're on the outskirts heading into I'm not sure where we're heading actually. So our first stop is in 7 kilometers. Let's go for a walk.
When I'm walking on a breeze, I got no enemies. I just do what I please. Yes, sir. I ain't got no things, no money, no means. Just a wind in the wings. Yes, sir. I got my feet on a cloud and I won't come down. No, I won't come down. I used to bounce on knees, fresh from the oven, chubby and carefree. I had a mind at ease. Now I oversee the trees, birds and the beasts and the man and his empty deeds. I see everything. I got my feet on a cloud and I won't come down. I saw the eyes of the maker, heard a rushing sound, caught up in the wheel going round and round, spun like gold from the shining ground. I got my feet on a cloud and I won't come down. Do-do-do-do.
Snack break. Found a cute little picnic spot. Oh, look at that. Cute little spot with awesome views. And we're just resting. We've just finished about 5 kilometers and we thought we'd just take a break and enjoy the scenery.
No one knows when the bell's gonna ring. No one knows much of anything. But when the feast starts, what will you bring? 'Cause no one knows when the bell's gonna ring. No one knows when the bell's gonna ring. No one knows much of anything. And when the feast starts, what will you bring?
Maybe we will find a coffee shop here. We're looking for juice or coffee or something. We've gone about almost 10 kilometers and we need a bathroom break. So we're crossing our fingers there's something here. I'm thinking it might be. I think we found a cafe. With a cat. So you know we have to stay. Oh my gosh. You know we can't leave when this kind of thing happens. Yeah, we're here. I'm finding a table. Is it closed? Another church we can't get into. That's disappointing. We carry on. We're just walking through probably our first town, really. Would you say it's our first town? Our first real town? Yeah. It's our first one since we left this morning. We stopped for a juice a little while back at a restaurant where the waitress was not very kind. She wasn't very nice. So we quickly drank our juice and hit the road again. But I think after this we have about 4.5 kilometers left until we get to our destination. So that shouldn't be bad. Another hour and we should be good. Yeah, roosters. Walking on a nice little red path now. I think it's a bike path. But I think we have about 3.5 kilometers left. It's noon. We've stopped lots of times, relaxed. Just taking our time today, enjoying it. The weather's still nice. It's starting to heat up a bit now, but it's been nice walking weather so far. We're looking forward to getting into town and having some lunch. What are you looking forward to? She's looking forward to shopping, I bet.
Shopping and also getting the first stamp of the day.
Yeah, we haven't got a stamp yet today. We've just been walking aimlessly, just heading north, and no stamps. We were
I'm looking forward to air conditioning.
yeah, we didn't have air conditioning last night. It was terrible. But yeah. But let's keep walking.
Come daylight, come daylight. Will it be
There are days when we walk on this Camino and we feel like we've taken the wrong turn. And this road here right now, this dusty path, makes me feel that way. I know we haven't because I see the markers like up there, but it just feels like we're not going the right way. Just a dusty path.
Dusty, dusty.
even in my darkest hour? Where shadows loom, they grow taller. You
Heading through this little town here. That's a sad looking house. It's needing some love. And then of course this one here has got lots of love. Look at that house. Beautiful. Just stopping at a little market on the way into town.
It's not little.
It's not, it's pretty big. See what we could find. sur la table, je mets pas de Oh, you name it, they got it here.
Porém, que os calços são muito grandes, estas jormas são muito grandes. Vamos colher.
Oh, I think you can also get lost in here. Okay, it looks like clothes here. We made it. Look at all the pillows. It's so cute. They gave us cookies to go with our coffee.
And our tea.
And our tea.
And
We're so tired. We're so tired.
we are.